Okay, if you are in the middle in this case, right? Can be mirror this side. Okay. Okay. If you want to go to the top, let's say if I want to change this one, I want my mirror line to be hit at the top. You see, I can have this one, and I can make this one coincident, right? Coincident, right? And also this one coincident. This one, if you want to make your stiffener to the top, to the edge, actually, okay? In this case, you can have this one. Okay, also possible. Okay. Otherwise, it will be extend the line to hit the boundary. Right? Extend the line. You see? Extend the line to hit the boundary. Okay. See? You don't have in this case. If you just want to have any stiffener, you can do this one. Okay. This one. Okay. Right. Okay, that's stiffener. The other one you can do that as well. Let's see. If I can. Okay, this one. Let's see if I'm using this pen. Look at this one. Let's see. I have. Let's see some profile here. Okay, and line. Okay, look at this one. Let's see. I have some. Okay, let me. Okay. Okay, let me tag this one. In there, both sides, let me tag this one. Okay, put this one there. Okay, let me shell this command. Shell this one. Shell, open this top. How much? Let's say 2 millimeters. We have this one. Let me draw a line. Look at this one. You see, I have this one. Let me draw a line. I can do spine. Let's say you have this one. I would like to use this one. I mean, this to do stiffener for this one. Okay, look at this one. You see, I have this one, right? I call stiffener, say stiffener. Yeah, now it's from top. You have to, you have to create stiffener, right? Yeah, from top, right? From top. And select this one, boom. You can have this one, you see. Neutral, it means that they will, expand both sides equally, right? This one. You see, in that case, you see, you have this one. Or if you want to change your stiffener, this one, and then you sketch. You want to change my sketch here. I have add another one. Let's see. I add another here. Let's see. I add another one here. So you have this one. You see? You can have both of them. Okay, this is called stiffener. Sometimes it said if you make this one solid, and instead of solid, I mean you have this type of stiffener, you can reduce a lot of mass. At the same time, your part is very strong. I mean, have stick enough or equivalent to the solid one. Okay, so in this case, quite a lot anyway, especially in plastic design. Use this one. Okay. Okay. That's a stiffener. One thing that you're gonna have problems stiffener. Let's see. You have to be alive. Let's see. If you have this one, let's see. Let me draw some similar to this one. Let's see. Let me draw this one. Look at this one. If okay, let me. Okay. Let me revolve this one, sharp this one. Okay, revolve. Okay, this one. Okay. Let's say you have this one. I want to do stiffener here. I do now. I need to have that. You have example. I mean exercise here. But anyway, just give you an idea first. Okay. Look at this one. If I have stiffener here, I want to do stiffener here. Right? Similar, right? This one. Just draw a line, right? This one. I want to do stiffener. This one. Right? Select this one. From side is okay, right? You look at this one. Okay. Okay. You have this one. Okay. No problem, right? No problem, right? Okay. So in case, let's see. But anyway, if I change, if I want to this one to hit at the top, what happened to this one? Look at this one. They say I delete this one first. If I delete, do not. See, if you have this stiffener, right? This one we have sketch inside stiffener here, right? If you delete this one, they asking you, right? Delete aggregate element. You want to delete aggregate element. If you check this one, it means that your sketch will be gone as well, will be deleted as well, right? But if you doesn't want this one to be erased, your schedule, you have to uncheck this one. Uncheck this one. So it means that if you delete only feature, not the sketch. You see, the sketch will be there. Okay. Let's say if I want to this one to be this one, right? Okay. I can use this one and look at this one. You cannot. I want to have the endpoint here, right? In that case, I can do projection. Let's see. I do projection. Projection this one, right? This one. Okay. We have this line, right? This projection point, right? I do that in technique. Select this one. Select this one, right? And make it coincident, right? Make it coincident. You see this one, okay? Sorry. See another one as well. If you want to read this one, you see this one, and this one. You don't see the end, right? You don't see the end. In that case, you also projection this edge. Okay, so you have this construction line. In that case, you can bring this one and this one coincident. Be coincident, right? This one. This one. Okay? So you have this one, right? What happened to this one? Look at this. Do not. Now, if I do stiffener here, if I do stiffener here, right? I select this one. What happened to this one? You see, I select this one. They said topology operation invalid. You see, Okay, look at this one. You see, even though you want to, you see, they not allow you to do this one. Even though you uncheck this one, also it's possible, impossible, right? Look at this one. You see, they not allow you to do this one. You see, if you do similar in this case, they not allow you to do this one. It's not the same as the. Look at this one. Look at this one. Okay. You look at this one. This is a flat surface. Right? A banner. This is a flat surface, right? This one, not flat side. Actually, this is a flat because this line flat. That line one is flat. That's flat there, right? But this one is not. This one is not. See? Cold, right? That's why it's cold. So, they're not allowed to do that one. In this case. They're not allowed to do this case. Because it is a flat. If you really want to do synchronous in this case, you have to do surface modeling. You have to do surface modeling. But in this case, now we are doing solid modeling. Okay? Solid modeling. Okay. Look at this one. So sometimes we can a little bit cheating for this one. I mean, if you want just look at this one. See, I can sometimes I can do this one. Sometimes I can do this one. Okay, I just look very small component there. Right, as well as this one. This one, this one. In that case, sometimes it works. But anyway, look at this one. Let's say if I want to do similar here, I want to do similar here. Similar. Select this one. Okay. In that case, you see.
มันไม่ได้คัดไม่ใช้สติ๊กเกอร์เนอร์เขาสอนใช้สติ๊กเกอร์เนอร์
แต่มันไม่กลม
Yeah, no.
เขาต้องเตรียม
It's really need to.
ทำเป็นผมสติ๊กเกอร์เนอร์ผมได้เขาก็อธิบายว่าอย่างนี้จะทำไม่ได้
ถ้าเกิดมันแผ่นมันจะกลมถ้าแผ่นสับกลมผ่านแชมเปอร์กลม
See? Look at this one. You see, they try to connect, you see, make plane, see this one, which is sometimes not, this is not you want. Sometimes you want curve. Because we are doing this in solid. If you really want to have curve, you have to use another technique. Okay? Otherwise, when you have this one and you make production, your product is like this. Okay? Yes, but yeah, this is some or you can change this one. Let's see, or just try to make it very close. I did this one. Okay. Or sometimes I just make this one very almost just delete this one. Delete this one. Delete this one. Right? I just move it a little bit inside, right? A little bit inside. Right? Inside this one. Okay? To avoid anyway. Okay? And you have zipper there. This one. See? right? But we have another way around. You have workshop. You have workshop that you have one example, this one as well. I will show you this one. Okay, so you have some of these, right? You have multi-section, remove multi-section. You have stiffener, right? Stiffener can have, right, from side, from top as well, right? The other one that I would like to mention is, right, like a copy, right? You have this one. You look at this one. You have pattern. You can do pattern, right, in 2D, right? As you are doing, you did it on your exercise, right? We have another one. This one is for feature, not for the profile. This one for the feature. Okay. For example, let's see if I delete this one. Okay. Let me draw this one. Okay. Let me draw a line here. I mean, use this pen. Give me a minute. Hi ไปเรียนป่ะไม่มีก็นั่งหน้านี่มานอกจากว่าผมเป็นยักษ์เลย Look at this one. Let's say if I draw, let's see, let me draw component here. Okay. Look at this one. If I do pocket this one, I pocket this one. Let's see. Just small. Okay, look at this one. In this case, if I want to copy this one, I mean circular copy this one. How can we do this one? You see, you have the pocket, right? You want just only pocket this one, I mean rotate this one, right? You select pocket and you go to this one, right? Circular pattern. Look at this one. Okay, circular pattern. You see how many, you see this pocket is what select in this case, right? Pocket is select this case, okay? You want to with reference element axis of rotation. Reference element is mean axis of rotation. In this case, in this one, right? You can use Z axis, right? In this case, Z axis. You can use Z axis here. Insert, use the button mount and Z axis. This one, right? How many instance now you have to count the first one as well? ต้องนับตัวแรกเลย You remember when you do 2D, the first one will not count. But for 3D, this case, you have to count the first one as well. Right? Let's say we have A. Okay? I say I put A. In this case, right? A. Right? So circular pattern in this case, how much? Let's say I put 45. Right? 45. You can pick with this one. Oh, you have this one. Okay? This one. You can have 2 row as well. This is a single row. You can have 2 row as well. Multiple row as well. I will not show you. You have to do by yourself. Okay? Multiple row as well. Okay? Okay, so sometimes it's maybe more convenient to do in solid than in 2D. Right? It's more like selectable, let's say. Okay? Okay, so it depends. you can do this circular pattern. You can have rectangular pattern as well. Rectangular pattern. Same. Okay. Okay. So if you want to do rectangular pattern also possible. Let's say you have this one. Let me draw this one. Let me draw just circle. Let's see. Circle. Small one. Okay. I don't know how much this one. Let's say. Let me see the dimension this one first. Okay. This one is 5.5. Okay. Okay. Let me just pocket this one. Okay, this one. Just okay. Okay. Let me just do this one. Now I want to do rectangular. Rectangular. I select this pocket, right? This one, and select this rectangular pattern. Okay. So how many of them you see? First direction, right? I think I will be X, let's say. X. How many instant? Let's say I put 4. 4 instant. For 20 degree, right? Let's say I just reduce to 15. Okay. Okay. So that's pattern you see. Look at this one. You see they have this one. You have to count the first one as well. Okay. Okay. So now you have first direction. See this first direction. Second direction you here. Second direction, the other side. I will be in Y direction. Right? Y direction. Insert Y direction. Right? Okay, I want to have opposite direction, right? This one. How many of them? Let's say I put 3. 3 is, 3, just 3. Okay, distance 20, that's okay. Okay, so you enter, boom, you have this one. You see, if you want to change the pattern, you also possible, right? This one, the first one, I want to change to 20, let's say. The first one, I want to change to 20. Okay, boom. Now you have 20. Right, we can do this one. Okay. We have circular pattern, we have rectangular pattern, we have freestyle pattern as well. อันนี้ไม่บอกเลยครับเพราะถ้าคุณไม่ฟังทำไม่เป็นรับรองการันตี Okay, so you have this one. Okay. The other one that I would like to mention, this one is we want to make hole. We want to make hole. Loop hole. Okay. We normally use pocket, right? Now, if you want to use hole command, there are so many types of hole command, right? Counter wall, counter sink, blind hole, table hole. There are so many things of the hole. Pocket we just do only one direction. This one we have 4 options. This one. Let's see. Even go back to this one. This one. Okay. I want to make a hole on top of this one. Make a hole on top of this one. I do not. So this one. Okay. Skill test very easy. It's about this one. It's not that difficult like you skateboard, but it's about this one. I want to check your skill and ไม่ต้องไปดูไม่ต้องใครยังไม่เคยทำโปรไฟล์แหมศึกษาอย่างนู้นไร้สาระ Skill is mean that you have to practice more often, right? If you just practice today, no way. Okay, not in our school. Okay, so this one, if you want to make hole here, look at this one, you see, do now. I start with the hole command here, hole. Okay, and I choose, you see, I select this hole, I choose this surface, boom. Okay, now there's a hole there. The default of if your surface is circle, you select command hole first, right? And you select surface, right? If your top surface is circle, it automatically put hole at the center of the circle. Automatic. But if your surface is rectangular, that's another story. Okay? So this one, the top surface is what? Circle, right? So they put your center hole at that one. Now you look at this one, you have main diameter. Right? You have main diameter here, main depth here. Right? Main diameter, main depth. Right? If you have, look at this hole over there. You see, this we call simple hole. You have this one, right? Main diameter, main depth. Look at this one, you see? Diameter and depth, this one. You can also have a V shape here as well. ผมเบื่อที่หมายพวกนี้เนี่ยทำอะไรนั่นนี่ใคร someone who have your own computer can sit down let them ไอ้สี่เขาไม่รู้จะโชว์ไงให้ดูคอมพิวเตอร์ที่สุดของพวกมีให้ก็บอกแล้วว่า I need some volunteer okay otherwise you can go to the other room during exam we have to do okay so at the moment if you don't have computer we still need another 4 computer you still need another 4 computer so if you have your notebook please you have table here as well as this one if you want you have table here and they provide you the connector as well okay so if some volunteer sit here or you can sit here if you want okay งั้นคุณก็มาเร็วๆวันหลังคุณมาเช้าช่วยมัน I don't know how to solve the problem see otherwise I have to buy your computer for computer with my money no way okay so some of you if you have computer you can sit here and it's close to me so you can ask me it's easier I have give priority to some of this volunteer give some priority to your office okay ขอบคุณมากคอมพิวเตอร์ก็บอกว่าไม่มีเครื่องให้ลงไปหมดละ50 ห้องไม่มีเครื่องให้ Okay. Thank you very much. ตัวนี้ก็ได้ขอบคุณมากต่อได้นั่งตรงนี้สงบกว่าด้วยซ้ำจะถ่ายก็ได้ใกล้ๆถ่ายสบาย Again, everybody got computer now. นะเดี๋ยวจะได้ควิสเดี๋ยวได้สกิลเทสไม่ได้ควิสเดี๋ยวกลัวสกิลเทส I would like to know your situation now about how to model this okay very easy one give you 20 minutes only you should finish it in 10 minutes if you are doing now okay เห็นไหมได้ไหมโอเคนะ